Hi, I'm Madaffer here at my shop, building some ornamental railing. These are a couple of scrolls that we put together. They're the scroll design that goes into these gates or these railings that we're building. I've got them more or less done. We're just going to do the finishing touches and put the cap on. It's going to have a 2¼ inch by 7/8 solid Dixie cap. And when we finish, we're going to powder coat it, and it's going to be powder coated a copper color to match the guy's lamps. So these pieces are done. One of them's hot. I'm just trying to match them up so that they look the same. Trim them up a little bit. About right in there. I'll finish these off by TIG welding in place. Here's the stacking technique. That's the flower with the leaf design that goes into the rail. Now we're going to move on to put the Dixie cap on the top. Cover. Stopping by and taking a look at the video on how to put a Dixie cap on a handrail. We're going to finish welding this up, and we'll grind it and clean it up, and we'll have some pictures posted on the website for you to take a look at the jobs in construction right now on DECORATIVE.com. Thank you. Rick Madaffer. Hi, here we are on the job site. You may have already seen the video of the construction of the railing, and this is the final product. They've been powder coated. This is what they call Copper Tex 3. If you'd like to have this on your railing, this is what it will look like. We put extra details inside these railings. These custom details were made to match the original door that's already here. And we can do anything custom. This has the long lamb's tongue on it. We showed the fabrication of this in the shop. Foot cover plates that cover up all the screw holes in there, and hand forged custom scrolls. So thanks for coming by our website, checking it out. This is A to Z Welding. Thank you very much.